back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday June 6 to Saturday June 12, 2021, and these are all digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is Select Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy one Colgate toothpaste and get back $2 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household and it's on sale $3.49 each. You can buy one Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6OZ is $3.49 each. Also, you can use 175 of Colgate printable coupon on colgate.com. Pay or roll $2.74 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is only just 74 cents each for the Colgate toothpaste. My next deal is if you have this 5 of 25 Colgate CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Buy one select Colgate toothpaste and get back $2 ECB and it's on sale $3.49 each, and buy two select Colgate toothbrush and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household. You can buy two Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6OZ, it's $6.98. It's $3.49 each. Also, you can buy 4 Colgate manual toothbrush 1CT, it's $20.76. It's $5.19 each. But make sure to check this toothbrush is included or not, because they say select Colgate manual toothbrush. So before purchase you can check this one it's included or not. So the total come out $27.74. You can use 1/5 of 25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Also, you can use 2.75 of Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste printable coupon on colgate.com. Also, you can use 4.75 of Colgate toothbrush printable coupon on colgate.com. So the total coupon is $9.50. Pay or roll $18.24 and get back $4 ECB for the Colgate toothpaste and get back $10 ECB for the Colgate toothbrush. So all these products, the final cost is only just $4.24 or 70 cents each. My next deal is any NYX cosmetic deal. Spend $12 on NYX cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy one NYX Butter Gloss lipstick, it's $5.59. Also, you can buy one NYX matte lipstick, it's $6.49. So the totals come out $12.08. You can use one if you have 4 of $12 NYX Cosmetic CVS CRT. Pay or roll only just $8.08 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $3.08 or $1.54 each. My next deal is L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic deal. You can buy two L'Oreal Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. Buy one L'Oreal Paris Voluminized Eyeliner, it's $10.99. Also, you can buy one L'Oreal Paris Voluminized Mascara, it's $9.79. So the totals come out $20.78. If you have 7 of 21 L'Oreal Paris Cosmetics CVS CRT. Also, you can use $2 of L'Oreal Eyeliner CVS CRT. Also, we have this next week $3 of L'Oreal Mystery coupon. Must be the higher value or the lower value. So you can adjust the math on the Sunday. This coupon is available on June 6th. So the total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $8.78 and get back $6 ECB. So the final cost is only just $2.78 or $1.39 each. But if you have the free mascara CVS CRT, you can buy the mascara separate transaction, so you don't mess up with this transaction. The next deal is any CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Spend $15 on CoverGirl product and get back $7 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy one CoverGirl Brow and Eye Maker eyeliner is $6.49. Also, you can buy one CoverGirl Clean Press Powder, it's $8.49. So the total come out $14.98. Use $3 of $15 CoverGirl Cosmetics CVS CRT. Use one $3 of CoverGirl Face digital coupon and use one $3 of CoverGirl Eye digital coupon. If you use the digital coupon, you can use the printable coupon on coupon.com, but that coupon is no longer available. So the total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $5.98 and get back $7 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $1.02 money maker on this deal. The next deal is if you have this 7 of 35 cosmetic CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Buy 2 Sally Hansen cosmetic and get back $4 ECB, or you can buy 3 cosmetic and get back $7 ECB. This one has a limit up to $7. So and spend $15 on CoverGirl cosmetic and get back $7 ECB. So must buy 2 in one transaction, or if you want to buy 3, you can buy in one transaction. Because I have the last time problem for the this week GSQ problem, because I buy 2 and then I buy 1, so my extra buck it's not printed. So must buy 3 in same transaction. So in this transaction you can buy 2 Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Nail Care. It's $19.98. It's $9.99 each in my store. Also you can add 1 Sally Hansen Insta Dry Nail Care. It's $5.79. Also you can buy 1 CoverGirl Eye Maker Eyeliner is $6.49. Also you can add 1 CoverGirl Clean Press Powder. It's $8.49. So the totals come out $40.86. You can use $7 of $35 any cosmetic CVS CRT. Use $5 of 2 Sally Hansen Miracle Gel CVS CRT. Use $1 of Sally Hansen Miracle Gel digital coupon and use $1 of Sally Hansen Miracle printable coupon in coupon.com. But this coupon is no longer available. You can also use $3 of CoverGirl Eye Cosmetic digital coupon and use $3 of CoverGirl Face Cosmetic digital coupon. So all the total coupon it's total $20. You can pay or roll $20.86 and get back $7 ECB for the Sally Hansen and get back $7 ECB for the CoverGirl. Plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is only just $3.86 or 77 cents each for this product. My next deal is if you have 5 of 25 cosmetic CVS CRT, you can do this deal like that. Buy 2 Sally Hansen and get back $4 ECB and buy 3 and get back $7 ECB. Also, you can buy 2 Maybelline cosmetic and get back $4 ECB and buy 3 cosmetic and get back $7 ECB. Both has a limit up to $7. So you can buy 3 Sally Hansen Hard as Nail Care. It's $12.57 and the $4.19 each. Also, you can buy 3 Maybelline single eyeshadow. It's $13.47. It's $4.49 each in my store. So the totals come out $26.04. You can use 1/5 of 25 any cosmetic CVS CRT. Also, you can use $4 of Maybelline cosmetic mystery coupon. It's printed this week. Also, you can use $2 of Maybelline app only coupon. This coupon is attached with the eyeshadow and the baby lips also. So the total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $15.04 and get back $7 ECB for the Sally Hansen and get back $7 ECB for the Maybelline. So the final cost is only just $1.04 or 17 cents each for this product. My next deal is Essie Nail Care deal. They don't have the extra buck back, but this one has a good deal. The next week they have the mystery offer for this product. Also you can buy 1 and they give you credit for 2, and also you can buy 4 over the 12 month and they give you 1 free for the nail care. So this is the good deal. Just check on the Sunday how much we can get the mystery offer. Generally we get the $2 off, so check on Black Sunday. My next deal is select Seek Razor deal. Spend $15 on Seek Razor and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. It's on sale $8.99 each. You can buy one Sikh Woman Institution razor. It's $8.99 each. Also, you can buy one Sikh Man Hydro Skin razor. It's $8.99. Also, you can attach with this deal Skintimate Save Gel. It's $2.59 each. So the totals come out $20.57. You can use one $5 of $20 Sikh CVS CRT, any razor CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $5 of Sikh razor or refill CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $10.57 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $5.57 or $2.78 each. But check back on Sunday if we get any printable or digital coupon. Generally, we have the paper coupon. That time we have the digital or printable coupon. So make sure to check back on Sunday. My next deal is select Sikh or Skintimate disposable razor deal. Spend $15 on Sikh disposable and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale $5.99 each. You can buy two Sikh Skintimate disposable razor. It's $11.98. It's $5.99 each. Also, you can buy one Sikh Extreme disposable razor. It's $5.99. Also, in this transaction, you can add one Sikh Hydro Skin Comfort Save Cream. It's $8.29. If you have the CRT, you can add this Sikh Hydro Skin Save Cream. So the total coupon is $26.26. But make sure to check which disposable razor it's included because they say select Sikh disposable. You can use one $5 of $20 any Save Care CVS CRT. Use one $4 of two Skintimate razor CVS CRT. But make sure which Skintimate razor is included with this CRT because sometimes we have I buy the Skintimate razor and this CRT is not attached. So make sure to scan the razor and this CRT is attached with this razor before the purchase. Also, you can use one $4 of Sikh Extreme razor CVS CRT. Also, you can use two $3 of new Sikh Hydro Skins face wash or Save Cream CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $19. Pay or roll $7.26 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $2.26 or 56 cents each. But make sure to check Sunday if we get any digital and printable coupon deal. My next deal is household deal. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB or spend $45 and get back $15 ECB. So you can buy 2 Degree Women's Shower Clean Deodorant 2.6 OZ. It's $8.68. It's buy one get one 50% off and it's $5.79 each. Also, you can buy 2 Degree Man Deodorant 2.6 OZ. It's $8.68. It's also $5.79 each. Also, you can buy 1 Degree Women's Shower Clean Deodorant. It's $5.79. Also, you can buy one tile liquid detergent 92 FLOZ. It's $11.94. Also, you can attach one Tide Pod 21 to 35 city. It's $11.94. So altogether, the totals come out $47.03. You can use one $2 of $10 Dove Degree Deodorant CVS CRT. Use one $3 of 2 Degree Woman digital coupon. This coupon is possibly glitched with the printable coupon. Also, you can use one $3 of 2 Degree Man digital coupon. This coupon also possibly glitched with the printable coupon. If you didn't print that printable coupon, you can go on the coupon.com. They have the still available this degree coupon. Also, you can use one $1 off Degree Woman deodorant digital coupon. Also, you can use one $3 off child liquid digital coupon, but this coupon is available on June 6th, and use one $3 off child port digital coupon. So the total coupon is $21. Pay or roll $26.03 and get back $15 ECB. So the final cost is only just $11.03 or $1.57 each after the glitch is going off. My next deal is Iris Spring or Soft Soft Body Wash deal. Buy 2 Iris Spring or Soft Soft Body Wash and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 3 per household. It's on sale $3.99 each. You can buy 2 Iris Spring body wash. It's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. Use one $3 of 2 Iris Spring body wash CVS CRT. Use one $1 of Iris Spring or Soft Soft body wash digital coupon. This coupon is available on June 6th. Must be in the $1 of the Iris Spring or Soft Soft. So check back on Sunday which digital we can get. So the total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $3.98 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. My next deal is Claroil hair color deal. This one they don't have the extra buck back, but I have the CRT, so I add this deal in my transaction. So buy 3 Claroil nice and easy permanent hair color. So the totals come out $25.47. It's $8.49 each in my store. I have $3 of 3 Claroil hair color CVS CRT, and also I have one $4 of choose Claroil hair color CVS CRT. So also you can use one $6 of 2 Claroil hair color printable coupon on coupon.com, but this coupon is no longer available and this one is expired on next week. Also you can use one if you didn't use that digital coupon. This coupon is always possibly glitch. So $6 of 2 Claroil hair color digital coupon. This coupon is possibly glitch. Also you can attach one $3 of Claroil hair color digital coupon. So because you buy 3. So all together the total coupon is $22. You can pay or roll $3.47. So the final cost is only just $3.47 or $1.15 each. Also they have the promotion when you buy 7 hair color and they give you one free. Also this one I think so it's count for the beauty reward. So the final cost is only just maybe the free plus money maker, I guess. The next deal it's any you buy Cortex deal. Spend $15 and you buy Cortex and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. It's on sale buy one get one 50% off. You can buy 3 you buy Cortex pad 16 to 80 CT. It's $15.73. It's $6.29 each in my store. Also you can use one 5 of $15 you buy Cortex pad or liner CVS CRT. Use one $3 of 3 tampon pad or liner CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $7.72 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $2.72 or 90 cents each. But check back on Sunday if we get any digital or printable coupon for the Cortex product. My next deal is Select Coppertone Sunscreen deal. Buy one and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. It's on sale $9.99 each. Buy one Coppertone sunscreen, it's $9.99. But make sure to check which product it's $9.99. Use one $2 of Coppertone product digital coupon. Pay or roll $7.99 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is only just $4.99 each. My next deal is Stay Free, Carefree and Playtex and OB deal. Spend 12 and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. It's on sale buy one get one 50% off. You can buy one Stay Free Maxi Paid with Wing. It's $7.99 and the second one is half of $3.99. So the totals come out $11.97. You can use $2 of $12 paid liner CVS CRT. Use $6 of 2 stay free paid liner CVS CRT. Also, we have $3 of 2 stay free digital coupon, but this coupon is available on June 6th. So the total coupon is $11. Pay or roll only just 97 cents and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $2.03 money maker for this deal. My next deal is Pamper and Easy Up diaper deal. Spend 20 and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. It's on sale 2 for $20. You can buy 2 Pamper Easy Up training underwear 25 cities $20. It's 2 for $20. You can use 1/4 of 2 Pamper Easy Up digital coupon and use 1/4 of $20 baby care CVS CRT, or you can use the 4 of 20 diaper CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $12 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $7 or $3.50 each. My next deal is Bebo bathroom and paper towel tissue deal. So you can buy 2 tissue paper and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. It's on sale, buy 1 get 1 free. Buy 4 Bebo unbleached bathroom tissue 8 roll, it's $21.98. It's $10.99 each. You can use 1 buy 2 get 1 free 8 count toilet paper CVS CRT. It's took $10.99 off. Pay or roll $10.99 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is only just $7.99 or $1.99 each. My next deal is any Hallmark item deal. Buy 2 Hallmark item and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. Buy 3 Hallmark card, it's $6. It's $2 each. You can use $3 of 2 Hallmark card CVS CRT. Pay or roll $3 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is free. So friend, this is my next week CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.